What is up, YouTube? My name is Oscar. Welcome to the 5X Coaching Academy. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you a work from home position that is perfect for people who are in the customer service niche or has a background in the customer service. And I'm going to be showing you two other positions. One position which you can do while waiting for the very first job or waiting for your application to go through. This is an awesome way to make money on the side if you want to make money for vacations, if you have a new car that you want to pay off, or if you just want to invest your money. And I have another job position at the very end of this video, which I'm going to be showing you, where you can actually make money online while you sleep. So I suggest staying tuned for that. In our very first job post, we're going to be talking about planted.com, okay? So this is basically a job listing website where they do all the heavy lifting for you. So basically all you gotta do is upload your resumes, and they're the ones that curate jobs at different companies, and they use the power of AI technology to help you find new, better job roles. I'm not sponsored by this company, but they are hiring a customer service for this job platform, okay? They are going to be for your partner companies. So as a customer service rep for planted.com, you're going to be helping them with people who are looking for jobs as well. Crazy, I know, okay? So with Planted, you earn a sign-on bonus for getting hired through them. So that's an easy way they get more customers, and you're going to be basically working for Planted as a support staff, okay? So you're going to be dealing with customers, and their customers are usually employees just like yourself who are looking to work from home or looking for different job roles, such as a social media manager, growth hacker at a fitness class discovery startup, jack of all trades, marketing coordinator. So people who are looking for job positions, you're going to be talking to them in case they have any problems with this platform, okay? So they are looking for a customer support associate that's completely remote, available anywhere around the globe, and they're looking for someone who could do a full-time position. So Planted TechStarLM is a smart career platform that connects business talent with opportunities at innovative and growing companies. They are looking for an empathetic but assertive customer support associate. The ideal candidate is highly personable, detail-oriented, and highly motivated. Responsibilities: you're going to be assisting customers through different communication channels like email, phone, CRM software such as Zendesk, where you're going to be helping their customers, people like you, okay? You're going to be collaborating and escalating issues to other teams to help find solutions, collect and summarize feedback from customers to give to sales, development, operations, and marketing teams to improve the customer experience. About you need to be empathetic, you need to connect well with their customers, and if you are someone who's looking for a job, then yeah, this is perfect for your position because you can empathize with people who are also working for positions. You have to be solutions and customer oriented. When there's a problem, you're focused on setting things right. You're highly results oriented. You want your work to make direct impact on business. You're energetic. You need to have an upbeat attitude, goes a long way in handling customers. You need to have collaboration problems because if there's a more complex issue that you can't solve, you'll need to ask people for help, and you need to be meticulously organized. You're obsessed with stationery and sort your books on your bookshelf by the author's last names. Okay, so let's see what it's like to work at Planted, and we're going to look at Glassdoor, okay? So their headquarters in New York, they have around 1 to 50 employees, and they're kind of brand new, okay? So let's go look at this one review right here. I worked at Planted part-time for less than a year. Pros: it's a startup culture, work hard, play hard, friendly, ambitious groups, and there's a lot to learn. Okay, cons: compensation was okay, a little scattered with tasks, but small team. So that's the only review they have because it is a new startup company and it's basically trying to take on companies like Indeed. So if you don't like this work from home position, I have another one for you, okay? So you can go on Fiverr.com and you can create job listings, honestly. So if you've never used Fiverr.com, on Fiverr, I actually sell shoutouts on some TikTok accounts, and I charge around $40 for every shoutout that I do, okay? These shoutouts take me around 30 seconds to do, and I make around $40, as you can see right here. It's basically a job listing platform where if you have skills in graphic design, digital marketing, writing and translation, video animation, music, audio, programming, tech, data, honestly, every single niche is on Fiverr. So we're going to look at the spokesperson gig, okay, because it's honestly one of the easiest gigs that you can do. Basically, people are going to be giving you a script, and all you got to do is talk in front of the camera. So for this guy, he's charging $50 for 100 words. If we do 100 words, he's going to be charging $130. If you do a 500 word script, he's going to be charging $370, and he has 2 orders in queue right now. There's nothing easier than talking in front of a camera and getting paid to do so. He has over 2 orders in queue. He has had over 340 likes. If we look at other positions, so right here, this guy is offering it for $345. This person is offering it for $60. If you don't like this position, this website honestly has everything. If I need extra money, I just go on Fiverr, create a quick job listing, and I usually get a tons of jobs and actually make money online that way. So if you have anything in the gaming niche, logo design for example, you can go on Fiverr and you could charge people for logos. So I will design 3 modern minimalist logo designs for $10, standard $30, and a premium package of $80. He has over 300 orders in queue right now. Okay, let's say they all bought the 30. 300 times 30. This guy is making thousands of dollars. He's had over 18,000 likes. Okay, and he's making a ton of money this way. If you want to do writing and translation, if you know a different language, you could be a translator. I will translate English or Dutch into German. I will translate between multiple language. The cool thing with this is just you could use Google Translate and do this, and it's an easy way to make $10, $20. If you need the money, this is an awesome way to do so. Okay, so I have another way for you to make money online. You can actually just click the link in my description below right here. Are you looking for the easiest way to make money online? Check out this video from my mentor who helped me generate over $103,450 my first year with affiliate marketing. And if you don't know what affiliate marketing is, it basically, when someone ever clicks your link to a certain product, you get paid in commission. So some products have a commission rate of 90%, for example, and if you're selling a $1,000 product and someone buys it from your link, you're going to be making $900, and you didn't even need to deal with the customers. You didn't need to make your own online store. You didn't need to make your own online product. All they had to do was click on your link. Okay, Dave Sharp was my mentor. All you got to do is click right here, and all you got to do is click get instant access and put in your name and your email address. Dave Sharp is one of the top consultants in this niche, and he's going to give you a walkthrough, a step-by-step guide on how to get started with affiliate marketing completely free. Okay, this is why I recommend him to a ton of people, because he will teach you completely free. Okay, he's trained over 300,000 online marketing students, and he's one of the masterminds in this particular industry. Okay, David is one of the highest paid online marketing consultants, and he will teach you for free. He taught me for free, and now I made $103,000 online with my TikTok. Okay, that is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you learned something new. Don't forget to hit subscribe, because I will be posting daily content on remote jobs and different ways to make passive income online. That is it for today's video. I'll see you on the next one. Peace out.